LinkDR AI is one of the most exciting new AI tools to hit the market. Whether you're a digital marketer, entrepreneur, or just someone looking for cutting-edge tools to boost productivity, LinkDR is something you need to know about. But is it the best new AI software? Let's dive into 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before deciding if it's right for you. Right off the bat, LinkDR AI is a powerful software that automates tasks you'd normally spend hours on. From organizing digital assets to streamlining your workflow, it's an all-in-one solution. And the best part? You can try it for free from the link below. Stick around till the end of this review, and I'll also share my personal thoughts on how it compares to others, including some recommended alternatives. Let's get into it. First up, LinkDR AI excels at link management. In today's digital world, managing your links effectively is crucial, whether it's for marketing campaigns or social media promotions. LinkDR automatically shortens and tracks your links, providing you with in-depth analytics to see how your content is performing. But it doesn't stop there. You can customize these links to match your branding, which is a huge plus for businesses that want to maintain a professional image. Second, this software offers robust automation features. LinkDR is designed to automate repetitive tasks, which saves you countless hours. Think of it as your digital assistant, handling everything from setting up campaigns to tracking your audience interactions. If you're familiar with digital marketing tools like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign, you'll notice LinkDR brings similar functionality, but in a much more intuitive way. Third, it's designed to optimize conversions. LinkDR AI uses advanced machine learning algorithms to suggest the best times for posting, the most effective link formats, and even custom recommendations on your content strategy. If you're looking to improve engagement or increase your conversion rates, this software helps you do just that, without the need for guesswork. Fourth, its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned marketers. Unlike many complex software tools, LinkDR has a simple, easy-to-navigate dashboard. This means you won't waste time trying to figure out how to use the software. It's plug and play. And if you're just getting started with automation and AI, this is a great way to ease into it without being overwhelmed. Next, LinkDR offers advanced analytics and reporting that goes beyond just clicks and views. With deep insights into your link performance, user behavior, and demographic data, you can tailor your content to meet your audience's needs more effectively. This data-driven approach allows you to continually refine your marketing strategies to achieve better results over time. Sixth, LinkDR integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms, including social media, email marketing tools, and e-commerce platforms. This makes it incredibly versatile, whether you're running a small business or a large enterprise. By connecting all your tools into one unified ecosystem, LinkDR streamlines your workflow and eliminates the need for juggling multiple platforms. Lastly, the AI aspect of LinkDR is continually learning and adapting. It uses your historical data to provide personalized recommendations on how you can improve your campaigns. Over time, this leads to even smarter, more effective campaigns, saving you both time and money while improving results. So, is LinkDR AI the best new software out there? It certainly has the potential to be. With its powerful features, ease of use, and ability to optimize your workflow, it's definitely a contender in the AI space. But keep in mind, there are plenty of alternatives. If you are looking for more options or want to try something else after testing LinkDR, check out the free trials I've linked in the description. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my recommended software, all of which you can access for free. Don't miss out. Try them out today and see how they can revolutionize your business.